Okay, so I've been thinking about this quite a lot from past few days. Okay, it's like why we don't feel motivated sometimes. Okay, and why it's like we watch so much motivational videos from like David Goggins to like Gary Vaynerchuk to like many more of them, but still like sometimes we don't feel motivated. But and also the case is that sometimes we just watch lots of videos like day after day, but we never take actions while pondering over those things. Okay, one thing just hit me. Okay, it's like that bro, it's not every time about motivation is just like to boost you up. But so I have watched like all the motivational videos that exist in YouTube. Okay, so from lone wolf to like wake up early, everything. Okay, or maybe like I have taken action for a day or two, but still again I have become lazy after 2 days, or like I started watching some Netflix. Okay, and like days gone by and you can see like, okay man, 1 month I have spent without doing anything. Okay, any productive thing or any meaningful thing. Okay, so why those kind of things happens and we don't get motivated by those videos and quotes we see all over the place on YouTube and Instagram, and we don't take action and we become lazy. Because I have realized that man, behind all these things like being lazy and not motivated to do anything, or it's like watching day after day motivational video but still not taking actions, the root problem was actually the habits. So okay, that is the main problem with most of the people. Actually they don't have good habits. Now what is a habit? Okay, so let's understand. Okay, so now habit is actually a recurring activity that actually help us solving any kind of problem. Okay, so but the problem in this modern generation is actually we have built many habits. Okay, but the most 99% of the habits are actually bad habits. So the perfect way to think about the bad habits is actually certain activities we do in a regular basis that actually don't serve us. Okay, so now in that category there are many things comes like Facebook, like checking Instagram 150 times a day, or all day spending time chatting with in a WhatsApp group kind of stuff. Okay, or like why habits are so much important than like motivation or like a sense of meaning or a sense of purpose kind of thing. Okay, because motivation is actually inspire you to take immediate actions, and like sense of meaning and sense of purpose is actually a long term thing. Like you thought in the beginning that okay, this is my purpose or this is what my goal is to achieve, but you actually don't remind yourself every day that like this is my sense of purpose. But the thing is, you actually can't get motivated to take action every day by watching motivational videos and shit. Okay, that is like what you do on the daily basis actually involves your habits and stuff. So okay, rather than like motivation or like meaning or purpose kind of thing. Because when you wake up in the morning, you brush every day and you take shower actually every day, because those activities has become your habit. What habit is actually doing to you is you don't have to use your willpower in a regular basis, because when some particular activity become your habit, then you don't have to use your decision making energy and like your willpower to do that particular activity. Okay, you can free up your mind a lot more, and you can use that free mind space into another activities. Okay, so this is how actually you grow, and this is how you actually learn faster and become knowledgeable or like become intelligent. Okay, so now the sacrifice here is in the beginning of building any habit, you have to actually force yourself to invest your willpower and decision making power into those activities, because whatever we do on daily basis, we are actually making certain decisions, and we are actually using our willpower to do certain things, and that's what actually moving us forward in the right direction. So in the long term, to free your willpower and decision making power, you have to sacrifice in the short term, and you have to invest your willpower into building certain habits so that those becomes easier, and you are on autopilot mode that times. Like you don't have to even think about that, okay man, I have to work out. It will become so much part of your day-to-day things that you like, okay man, this is what I do now. Like you brush your teeth or you do a shower, like that's how I do my workout kind of. So just think man, like if you can even incorporate even 2 activities as your habit, like let's say workout and let's say reading 10 pages a day, then just think how much you will grow after a few years, because these things works actually in the compound effect. Like you will not see results after 2 or 3 days, but after a long time, when you look back and you will look back at your life, you will think, man, like this is so much progress. Tony Robbins has a quote on this, is like when let's say 2 boats is going in a sea, okay, in a direction. Okay, now one boat decided to take a shift of 2 degrees per day. Okay, now you can't see any difference in 1 week or 2 week, but over the years if that boat keeps shifting 2 degrees, then after 1 year that boat will be in a different direction from that previous boat. Okay, so it's like this is how this compound effect works, okay, of a particular activity. So it's like when you work out and you read books every day, even for 10 pages a day, you will be in a totally different place from the physical and mental perspective. So this is what actually magic of the habits is. Now all the great athletes from Michael Jordan to LeBron James to Conor McGregor to Virat Kohli, like all these athletes understand this kind of things. Okay, so I mean if you look at their interviews carefully, okay, they talk about like we pick a particular activity we have to build as our habit, and we do it over the, let's say, summer for 3-4 months with our full willpower and our decision making power. And when that activity actually becomes a part of our regular day, then we don't have to use the willpower anymore. Like this is that habit we actually acquired. Okay, so it becomes much more easier for them. Like this is how they function and this is how they grow more than the 90% of the people. So that's why they are famous and that's why they are rich, man. Like they include many productive and insane great habits into their daily life, which is actually hard to do in the short term but actually beneficial and much more easier in the long term. So this is what I think we have to understand, that man, habits are much more important than like instant motivation and like all other things, because everybody watches motivational video, but I don't think some great peoples who are like athletes or some great businessmen, they don't have time to watch motivational videos. Even they watch for short, but in the long term which helps them is actually great healthy habits, and it actually makes their life much more easier. They don't feel miserable at the end of the day, they feel satisfied, they feel fulfilled, they feel healthy. So that's what you have to understand, how habits are so much powerful. So now another thing to add is actually many people will ask that, man, how many days it takes to build a new habit. Then, okay, so now there is a certain regular thought is like everybody needs 21 days to build a habit, but we all know, man, like it takes much more than that. Okay, so it's like it depends and it varies from people to people. So it's like for you might be in 10 days, or for somebody it might be 35 days. So it's nothing like that you need 21 days and after 21 days certain activity will become your habit. The thing is the momentum become easier when you go after 10 day or 20 day. You feel the momentum, now you don't want to break the momentum, and if you keep continuing the momentum, you already in the no time you will feel like, man, I have acquired a new daily habit. And this is actually making my life easier. That's why I'm making this video, is just to share the experience and realization that, man, motivations are kind of sometimes bullshit. Okay, what you need is actually good healthy habits to perform better and to live a healthy, productive and like a great life. Okay, so that's all about it, man. Then keep hustling, keep grinding, greatness is coming. Dumble D out. See ya.